Hello, welcome to my channel. We're going to be making yam porridge today. But before we start, if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell too so that whenever new videos come out, you'll be one of the first to get them. This dish is very simple, very easy. We're just going to put everything together and it'll be ready in no time. So we'll use yam. We're going to use some palm oil, some smoked fish, seasoning cube, pepper, onion, garlic, and some crayfish. And the vegetable is going to be amaranth green. You can use any other vegetable you have. This is what I wanted to use for today. Okay, so we've cut up our yam here. Just peeled it and cut it up into cubes. The amaranth green has also been washed properly and cut up. The fish has been deboned. Please debone it properly, especially when you have kids eating it. The pepper, onion, garlic, and crayfish have all been pounded together. So now I'll start off by putting our yam in a pot. Then now put water to the level of the yam. You don't want to overput the water and you don't want to underput it. Just put it to the level of the yam. After putting the water in the yam, we're now going to put in our ingredients. This is a pounded crayfish, pepper, onion, and garlic. We're going to put in our palm oil now. Just spread it into the pot. Don't stir it, just leave it like this. Next thing we're going to put in is our seasoning cube and salt. Just put the things in, don't stir the pot. Cover the lid and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, open up, just stir it lightly so that the things can mix properly. I put this level of water because I like my yam to have sauce. I don't like eating dry yam porridge. So you can reduce the water if you like your yam porridge dry. After this, we're going to cover it and allow it to cook some more. The yam has gotten soft. It's beginning to thicken. So I'm going to put in my smoked fish now. Please don't forget to debone your fish. I beg you. So we're going to put in the smoked fish now, stir it lightly and cover it and allow it to cook some more because I like my sauce in the yam thick. I don't like it watery unless it's like pepper soup I'm taking, but this is not pepper soup, so let it thicken some more. Like I said, our yam is soft, the sauce is beginning to thicken, so this is the time to correct seasoning. You can add some salt, you can add some seasoning cubes to your taste because we are going to keep this down very soon. Now, the water has gone lower than I want it, so I've added some water because when the thing cools, it gets thicker. After about 5 minutes of cooking again, this is how it looks. You can see the sauce is a little thicker. It gets thicker as it cools, so don't say it's too watery. Let me allow it to thicken some more. Well, it depends on how you like your yam porridge, but this is what I want. This is how I like it because I like fetching sauce while I'm eating. So our yam is ready. I'm going to put in the vegetables now. I did not put them earlier because they would have overcooked. When you overcook them, you don't get the good, the nutritional benefits. So this is the right time to put in your leaves, and you don't have to use amaranth green. You can use ugu, you can use kale, you can use any vegetable. But it's always good to mix up vegetables in your food so that you can get the nutrients that are available instead of just eating the yam plain. After about 2 minutes, here is our yam porridge. It's ready. You can see the vegetables are still green, so they've not lost nutrients. I'm just going to stir this and keep this down. The smell here is so nice, and this yam porridge you can see is very easy to make. Very, very simple. Now to the best part. Time to eat. You can see that it's getting thicker and it's still kind of hot, so when it gets cool, you can imagine how thick it's going to be. So time to eat. You see, this is just very easy. You throw everything into the pot at once and you still have food that is packed with flavor. The garlic, the crayfish, the peppers, they just lend their flavor to this food. Everything comes together perfectly to give you a very good and healthy meal. So let's go and eat. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and share this video. And please subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, bye.